The war in Iraq continues to remind us of the high cost of freedom. In Torrance, Captain Matthew Ferrara is being honored for his service by family, friends, and the many lives he touched.
In Afghanistan, Matt demonstrated this leadership. His poise and confidence won the admiration of the men in his platoon and his commanding officers alike. Matt's bravery saved the lives of his soldiers.
This past November, Ferrara was killed when his group was ambushed in Afghanistan. He was a graduate of South High, and he was the third person from the school killed in the last year while fighting overseas.
The lasting impact he left on our lives as a son, a brother, a friend, a schoolmate, a colleague, a teammate, and a fellow soldier.
To honor this respected man, his name was added to the Veterans Memorial Wall at City Hall, where his courage and his life will be remembered. His name joins South High alumni Joseph Anzik Jr. and Micah Gifford.
A place where heroes are remembered. 144 names on this wall, all Torrance residents that died in battle, and now we add 145th.
South High has established a scholarship fund in his memory. For Time Warner SoCal News, I'm Erica Golding.